What's good YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. Kung bago kayo dito, this channel is all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So today may special guest tayo. Bella, hello! So the topic for today is about her, yung mga fitness mistakes or yung mga fitness realizations niya before that set her back in terms of her goals. So more of for women tong episode na to, pero ma-apply pa rin naman sa mga lalaki. So first up, we're gonna do a workout. We're here in Makati, so ayun, catch you guys later. So guys, nandito kami sa Eton branch, Anytime Fitness Eton sa Makati. Ganda niya kasi newly renovated siya. So kung Anytime Fitness member ka, check it out. Ganda ng setup, ganda ng equipment. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo during the workout. Pero let's get to fitness realization number 1 with Bella.
So one fitness mistake I made was being afraid of the gym. Dati nun, I'd go to the gym during dead hours, mga 1 p.m., 2 p.m. kasi I was scared of being judged by other people, mga other gym goers. Tapos, pagdating ng mga 4 p.m., pag nagdadatingan na sila, sasadyain ko umalis na kasi wala, para hindi na ako makita. Na nung nag-mature na rin ako sa gym, I realized na walang magja-judge sa'yo kasi lahat kayo dyan nagbubuhat lang din. And now, I go to the gym whenever I want. Wala na akong pake, hindi ko na tinitignan yung ibang tao.
Kung kailan ko nabigyan.
Kung kailan ko na gusto.
Actually, maganda yung point na yun kasi sobrang daming tao na kilala ko or mga nagsa-start out, nahihiya sila eh. Kasi yung fear of being judged. So, once you go consistently naman sa gym, marirealize mo na wala naman talagang pake yung mga tao kasi most of the time they're doing their own thing. So, even yung mga nakakasindak, yung mga malalaking tao, yung mga batak sobra, sila pa nga yung mga mas mababait eh. Sila yung mas willing to help, tapos hindi nila gina-judge yung buhat mo at all. So, don't worry about it. So, ako magpo-push workout ako, si Bella legs. So, yeah, catch you guys later. Pakita namin yung gym ganda. Cheers!
Realization I had was when it comes to lifting weights, huwag kayong matakot magbuhat ng mabigat. Ako dati, natatakot ako na bigatan yung weight na binubuhat ko kasi baka lumaki ako, maging bulky, ganyan. Pero as I matured sa fitness life, doon ko na realize na, ay, hindi pala ganun kabilis lumaki. Like, as a natural, sobrang hirap lumaki. So, bigatan mo lang yung weights na binubuhat mo kasi that's how you'll be able to shape your body the way you want it. And that's the beauty about bodybuilding and gym. Fitness realization number 3 naman, it also comes to lifting. You have to track the weight that you're lifting. Like yung mga workouts niyo, dapat may structured program ka and you're tracking all your lifts kasi paano mo malalaman na nagpo-progress ka if hindi mo alam kung ano yung ginawa mo before, kung ano na yung weight na, nasang weight ka na, And tracking my progress really helped sa pag-build ko ng shape ko now.
Guys, maganda yung sinabi ni Bella kasi whether you're a girl or a boy, tapos gusto mo gumanda yung shape mo, maganda yung magbuhat talaga. Kasi how will you build muscle kung hindi ka nga magbubuhat? Yan yung fear ng mga babae. Ang dami ko talagang na-encounter ng mga babae na yun, takot talaga magbuhat pero napakahirap lumaki, guys. You'll have to really lift heavy with proper technique and that takes a while. So, hindi yung pagka-pick up mo ng weight, lalaki ka kaagad. No? And at the same time, for both men and women, yung progress when it comes to tracking your lifts, lagi ko sinasabi sa ibang vlogs ko yan, if subscriber na kayo, malaki yung difference nun kasi dati ako rin hindi ako nagtatrack ng lifts. So, paano mo malalaman yung ginawa mong, paano mo malalaman kung magpo-progress ka, kung yung previous week, kunyari, nag-press ka ng certain weight, tapos next week,
kung ano na lang feel ko.
tapos sasabihin mo, casual lifter lang ako. Kahit na naman casual lifter ka, tapos later on, sasabihin mo na,
Bakit wala akong progress ganun? Bakit ganyan, ganito?
and yun, one major thing yun. So guys, take it from Bella, start lifting weights, even for females, and track your lifts. So, tapos na yung workout. We are hungry. Pareho kami naka-mini-cut ni Bella. We're gonna head for either Japanese or Mediterranean. Kasi Mediterranean, may mga chicken breast yan. Pero baka dinner na lang yun, no? We're gonna head for Japanese. Favorite namin dito sa Green Belt. I'll show you guys later. And more fitness realizations ni Bella. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo. Okay, dito na tayo sa Kenji Tae. Naka-mini-cut kami, so naka-calorie deficit pa rin kami. And Japanese talaga yung one of the go-tos namin kasi mababa yung calories. Pero hindi naman lahat ng pagkain doon mababa calories. If you've watched my previous vlogs before, tuna sashimi and salmon sashimi usually yung go-to. So this is mine, tuna sashimi. And this is Bella's. Salmon sashimi. Now, yung difference is mas mataas fat konti, mas may flavor. Bakit siya magsa-salmon sashimi? Kasi mataas na yung steps niya. Naka 10K plus na siya and it's only like 3, 4 p.m. Kaya may allowance siya. So, this one naman is tuna spicy tuna maki. Tatanggalin lang namin yung crispy bits kasi too much fat Japanese mayo yan. But yes, we're still gonna track dala ko yung scale. And, ayun. Catch you guys later. So guys, wala lang. Sarap ng food. So you guys can try this place out pag kapadpad kayo. Alam ko meron din sila sa Alabang. And hindi ko na alam yung iba pang branches. Pero, yeah, winay namin. Share ko lang, no? Naalala ko before, nung medyo bago ako sa tracking macros, parang nahihiya ako or naiilang ako mag-track in a public place kasi tititigan ka ng mga tao, parang isipin, anong ginagawa mo? Pero honestly, pagtagal, mawawalan ka na rin ng pake. Kasi pag makuha mo na yung results na gusto mo or nakita mong gumana siya sa'yo, parang ba't ka pa mag-look back, diba? Hindi naman nakakahiyan, wala ka namang hina-harm. Same with vlogging. Dati nahiya talaga ako in public. Pero ngayon, daming nakatingin sa akin. Pero ganun talaga eh. Masasanay ka at some point mawawalan ka ng pake. Yun lang.
So, the fourth fitness realization I had was to not be scared of food. Dati, sobrang takot ako kumain ng food. I'd eat super small portions lang. Then, cardio ako ng cardio, mga 2 hours sa bike every day. So, nangyari sa akin, I got so skinny, tas wala pang puwet. Then, ngayon, I make sure to get all my protein in, and you shouldn't demonize carbs. And, ayun, don't be afraid to eat. Tignan nyo naman. Dati hindi ko kakainin to, I'd be scared to even like take in itong mga ganyan, rice. Takot din ako sa rice before. Pero ngayon, kailangan mo kumain for you to grow and build muscle.
So guys, nanood kami actually ng Insidious Red Door. It's pretty nice. If you're a fan of Insidious, I do recommend na you watch it. Na-enjoy namin. Anyway, since naka-diet kami, we chose a safe place. So, we're at Jose's, Gilak by Jose's sa Greenbelt. Kasi lean yung food dito, Mediterranean, Middle Eastern. So, it's usually chicken breast na grilled, tapos may konting rice. So, yeah, we're keeping it clean. And yes, papakita namin sa inyo yung food pag dumating. And one last fitness realization from Bella.
So guys, we ordered chicken breast kebabs. As you can see, meron tayong sides na grilled tomatoes. Then this is one meal actually, pero sobrang daming rice. So we didn't order extra rice na kasi kasya na kaming dalawa dito. So, and here we have the dipping sauce. Ano tawag ito?
Spicy.
This is the spicy sauce.
Pero mataas fat niya.
Yeah, mataas yung fat. So, konti-konti lang.
So, halos ubos na lahat. I just have a little more. Kaya pa naman. Busog na ako. Pero yeah, wipe out. Sarap kasi. Ito, we don't have a lot of this kasi high fat yan. Pero kung hindi naman kami nagda-diet or what, syempre, kakainin namin yan. Like, inumin ko nga. Kahit wala kang meat. Joke lang.
Okay guys, so for the fifth and last fitness realization I had was to not use working out as a means of punishment for your body. Di porket kumain ka ng ganito, dapat parusahan mo yung sarili mo na kailangan mo burn ko yung ganitong amount of calories. Dati, pag kumain ako way beyond my calories, paparusahan ko sarili ko with excessive cardio. Like, bike ako ng bike, takbo sa treadmill, walang sawa. Hanggang sa napagod ako. Pero now, pag lumagpas ako ng konti, or say a little bit too much, okay lang. Kasi pwede ko naman bawiin the next few days and wala namang significant change ang mangyayari sa'yo with just one extra meal. Don't feel guilty when you eat way over your calories and just enjoy.
So yun yung vlog guys. Sana marami kayong natutunan. Sana na-enjoy nyo. And thank you Bella for your special guest appearance and your tips. So please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.